Yeah, I'm all lit up. Beautiful indeed. Don't you just love when a spotlight hits you? Oh yeah, what are you gonna do when the lights go out? I'll tell you what, it's kind of cool riding like this for the reason of I'm all lit up. Everybody can see me. My bike light in the front is on and it's flashing, and my back tail light's on. So I'm kind of like in the groove. Everybody's hyped up. They're all excited for the cameras to come out. Because if one came out, Insta came out early, and GoPro is supposed to come out next. But DJI may just, give a surprise shot with their camera. And you never know who you're gonna go with. Which camera do you like? Do you like DJI Osmo Action 3? You like the GoPro Hero 11? And the Insta360 ONE RS? Sony and Nikon? It's only like Insta and DJI with the module, and GoPro's all alone on the action camera. DJI's probably coming back and going to give GoPro a run for their money. Do you turn the camera on, manual mode, take a look at the shot to see if it's going to look good on the camera? I don't. I hit quick capture and off I go. Man, that 4-6 second delay, just a killer. One day somebody come out, instant on. Oh, I got hindsight. You could use that. Camera's got to be in the on position. And what good is it if it's, down like this or in your pocket and you pull it out? Not good at all, if you ask me. I like the blue lights from the distance, but the skywise is all lit up. Oh man, one day I'll get in there and see if I can film. Yeah, beautiful shot indeed. Thank you, GoPro. I wouldn't go on here. There's rats. And you just missed that rat running in there. Oh, man. There he goes. See him? Woohoo! There's another one. Right there. Right there. There he goes. Underneath. Hey, Jerry. How's it going? I gotta find another way to cross this bridge. There's so many people here just fishing. They gotta get that blue. Oh man, is there a limit for the blue? Yes, there is. Is there a size limit? There sure should be. Shh, the lights are out. Quiet time. Well, there goes my light, and I charged it last night, on the solar panel. It don't go on. There goes my light. It doesn't want to go on no more. I ran out of juice. Everyday spot for the gentleman doing his exercise. Oh yeah. And I guess we all come out at the same time, and when it gets lighter later, we all come out at that same time. Did somebody post on Facebook, grab sunrise shots? But that's what's happening. More and more people are getting their tripods out and their DSLRs, and they're taking a shot of the sunrise coming out. Just relax your eyes. Every so often you'll see the snapper, the fish, swimming to the top. The last vlog we did, that was all media module on the GoPro, front facing. I had an okay time, just very bulky. And yeah, I'm thinking, what is GoPro gonna do to improve that? Implement it into the camera, the media module. Maybe they can make a IP65 waterproof adapter that's on top of the camera in the corner that you can snap a microphone little circle on. Maybe they'll do like what they did with Insta360 has done, snap on cold shoes. Well, I don't think GoPro is going to be doing anything like that because they already made their camera and they're not going to pull it off the shelves and redo it again. They sure should. GoPro, you should listen to the people. Put in their own USB connection for a microphone. If you don't want to do 3.5, we'll still accept the USB-C microphone. Just make the little adapter, your own mic, a much better mic. But why would you want an external mic if GoPro can make the best audio input with the mics? If they concentrate on making the best mics, wait a second. They're waterproof mics because they're behind a piece of rubber. And that piece of rubber, the sound. And that's not what you want with your GoPro. So that's why we want an external mic source without a media module. Camera, little adapter that snaps on. Bluetooth wireless, we all been asking since the Hero 4 when you went to the Hero 5. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10. Now it's going to be the 1.1, the 11. I could talk and I could dream. Never going to happen. Fully charged. And yeah, it's early in the wee hours. I got another 5 minutes to share with you more of the GoPro talk. But I tell you what, I'm gonna pack up. I'm gonna ride along. I hope you enjoy all my bike vlogs with a GoPro, on the go with the GoPro. I did a lot of videos, a lot of cruise videos on the go with GoPro. See, like I say, we all come out with that tripods, big DSLRs. What's a GoPro? An action camera. It's not going to get the shot she's going to get of the sunrise. Oh yeah, carry that big thing. And she was all the way down. And she's walking and walking with it. She set it up, now she's walking all the way with the camera. Yeah, I don't have to carry something 50 pounds. I'm carrying something that's like a pound. 200 grams plus. Today, I feel the heat of the GoPro. I feel the warmth of it. And yeah, I haven't overheated all summer long. And it's been some very, very hot days. Yes, indeed. Near 100 when I use my GoPro. And a lot of people complain. And they complain that the GoPro overheats and all that good stuff. Oh, I can't wait till the people complain when the Hero 11 is going to overheat every single time. Snagged on the floor, probably hooked. Got to know how to get the hook off the floor. Yeah, this was well lit up just a few minutes ago. The gentleman there is always there each day. He must be watching the joint. Yeah. Yeah, like a cup of coffee, that's all I can say. Hit you in the right spot. Choo-choo trains are out, they're all set up and moved along. Oh yeah. I had a good bike ride, definitely indeed. I had a good time sharing some stories with you of the GoPro and what we're going to be expecting. If it's a Action 3 that you're after, an Insta 1RS or a Hero 11, until these cameras hit the market and come out, that is the only time. On that note, stay cool, stay dry, don't get cold, don't get hot, make sure you get the camera you're looking for. A speed camera. No, a GoPro, an Insta, an Action 3.
We're gonna pick beautiful red pepper. Oh, it's gonna be sweet as could be. Homegrown, no chemicals.
Pepper over there.
Where? Oh, another one. No, this one can really go another day or two.
Another week.
Yeah, nice.
These are seeds from the tomato. All I'm going to do is just slice that bad boy. Hopefully that seed will just dry out. Plant these for next year. See all the seeds that come out of it? Those we could throw out.